Hey there friends, I'm really excited to share with you the brand new November 2020 kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. First, let's take a look at this monthly kit. Okay, let's take a look at this beautiful monthly kit. We have 2 sheets of die cuts. Oh wow, I love all of the circles on this one. I love this fill in the blank days left until Christmas. That's fun. You have some labels and homemade with love here. And then we have Happy New Year, December to Remember, these fun banners, which I love. They have solid on the top and outline on the bottom. You can stamp in there. Just all sorts of fun things, labels and tabs, and I love this. It says Holiday Break, a December to Remember. Oh, look at these colors. How pretty are those? I love the addition of blue in here with the kind of traditional Christmas colors. So these are the 4x6 tags this month. You have the green polka dot, which is really cute. This says Pause and Reflect 2020. The best part, the toughest part, and what I want to remember most. So that's really nice. We're doing kind of a recap of the year, and then this amazing star tag. So those are the 4x6s. Let's take a look at the 3x4s. We have Traditions gathered together, happiness and cheer, twinkle lights surrounded by magic. Oh, I love this one. That looks like washi tape, super fun. 2020 favorites. That's a great one too. Oh, this one's great because you can add your journaling to these lines. Love those colors. Oh, cute. Special delivery. Hearts. This was awesome. Trees. Oh, I love that blue stripe. That's a pretty one. Stars. The best part of winter. That's nice. To-do list. Oh, a big yellow star. I love yellow, so I'm going to be using that one. Evidence of winter. Family fun and rest and relax. So there's a lot of great ones in there to tell your stories, to add some embellishment, and just create some beautiful projects. To coordinate with that, we also have the December labels. They have all of the colors that you'll find in the kit, so you can be sure that your labels will coordinate perfectly, and they have phrases like pure magic, remember, so excited, favorite, special moment, love this, together, photo notes, and the details. Next up, we have the Comfort and Joy stickers. Okay, take a look at these stickers. I love these little snowflakes here, a fun tradition, comfort and joy. And then you have all sorts of phrases. You have the black and white as well as these little colored labels too. Love this, ready for a fresh start. I think we all are. This one's fun too. Look what arrived today, because I think we're all going to be doing a lot of online shopping this year. So super fun stickers. Speaking of stickers, we also have the joyful chipboard stickers. You have the white joyful, which is really fun. Let me take these out so you can see them without any glare here. There we go. So the big joyful word, there's some embellishments, which I love, twinkle, there's some labels, and these are nice and smooth, so they're easy to stamp on. You don't have to have a special type of ink. Oh, what fun, magical, season of wonder, winter time. Really great chipboard sticker set this month. Continuing with stickers, we have the dark red Puffy alphabet stickers. So these are a nice red that coordinates perfectly with everything else in the kit and in the add-ons this month. If you want another alphabet, we have the acetate die cut alphabet. Take a look at these beautiful dark green alphas. Aren't those great? Super nice. Those would be great for your December album. All right, let's keep going with the embellishments. We have Stitch Stars wood veneer. I love the stitching detail on the outside. These would be really fun to paint the center as well. We have the winter wood veneers. I love the mittens. There's a little Starbucks cup. There's a coffee cup. Then you have phrases like a fun tradition, bundled up, staying cozy, winter wonderland, winter, and a season full of joy. We also have some holiday cork tags, which we haven't had cork for a while, but these are really fun. There's a tree, a star, a heart, and the word Merry. This would look really cute hanging off of the side of your December album with some twine. I think that's how I'm going to use them this month. Okay, next up we have the stamps, which is always one of my favorite parts of the month. First, I want to show you the happiness and cheer stamp. Love this little tree. I could see making a really cute border with that. There's all of these washi patterns. So if you remember that 3x4 tag that I loved that looked like it had washi on it, you can kind of recreate that look here with these stamps. Then there's the circle, labels, magic, smile, date, the heart, and the star. There's a little star here. You have the countdown for Christmas, happiness and cheer, rest and relax, and favorite time of year. That's a great stamp set for this month. Super duper excited about the Mystar stamp. Remember we had the My Heart stamp back in September. Well, this is the kind of the star version of that. So there's stitch stars, there's plain stars. You have tiny little stars, outline stars, and ones to fill those in with. You have itty bitty stars here. And then you have the phrases. You are a star, so it's a great one for a thank you card. Never stop looking up. Love you more than all the stars in the sky. My star, twinkle, shine bright, let it shine, reach for the stars, and make a wish. So I could see some great cards using this set because of these phrases. To go along with that, super excited about the steel craft die, the Mystar metal dies. So you have little stars, you have the big stitched, the medium stitched, and the small stitched. And then you have the big, medium, and small plain. So lots of awesome things that you can do with this set this month. I'm really excited to start using it. Thanks so much for watching me unbox all of these awesome December kit and add-ons from Elle's studio. I am so excited to start working with these. There are so many great products this month. Be sure to check out everything that I've shown you here in the video links, and be sure to grab them while supplies last. All of these products will coordinate with your Document December album, so they're great for adding to your Document December kit this month. And thanks so much for watching, and happy December creating, guys.